Students need to practice restraint. We are concerned about the way moves of students are forcing teachers of various public and private educational institutions at both tertiary and pre-tertiary levels to resign. This daily has been able to confirm at least 150 forced resignations across the country since August 5, but said that the actual number could be much higher. In many of these cases, students harassed and assaulted teachers. There have been instances where they even went to teachers' houses demanding resignations, putting their family at risk. These incidents, along with the voluntary quitting of several hundred teachers following students' demands, have created an unprecedented situation. This is not only disrupting classroom activities, but there is the possibility of a breakdown of academic discipline, as well as highlighted by the education advisor last week. As a result, administrative activities, including disbursement of salaries at educational institutions, are getting disrupted. Moreover, this trend is deteriorating trust in teacher student relations, which forms the basis of our current institution based educational system. While it is understandable that politicians of teachers and our educational institutions has given rise to this breach of trust, as well as frustration among students. The forced removal represents as a remedy that many hurt more than it helps in the long run. It also cannot correct years of systematic wrongdoing. Since August 5, over 14 out of 56 public universities in the country lost their vice chancellors and other top administrative officials due to forced of voluntary resignation following students' demands.